Good afternoon. So the problems of electromagnetic field theory. First topic, problems based on first topic, electrostatic. So the problem is find vector p bar directed from to 101 in Cartesian coordinate system and find unit vector along p bar. So first consider ax bar, ay bar and az bar are unit vectors in x, y and z direction. Then vector p bar can be written as p bar is equal to 1 minus 3 ax bar plus minus of 2 ay bar plus 1 minus minus 1 az bar. So p bar is minus 2 ax bar plus 2 ay bar plus 2 az bar. Now we have to find the unit vector. So unit vector along p bar is divided by mod of p bar. So what is p bar? It is magnitude of vector p bar. This is equation number p. So magnitude of vector p is minus 2 square plus 2 square. This is minus 2 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. So it is square root of 12. This is equation number 2. Now we have to substitute this value in equation number 1. So equation 1 becomes a p bar is equal to minus 2 ax bar plus 2 ay bar plus 2 az bar. This is p bar and mod of this p bar is square root of 12. So we solve this and get it is 0.57 ax bar plus 0.57 ay bar plus 0.57 az bar. So a p bar is 0.57 is common outside the bracket. It is minus ax bar plus ay bar plus az bar. So this is the value of unit vector along p bar. And second is, write the expression for vector going from point A1 2 3 1 to point A2 -2 1 4 in Cartesian coordinate. Also find length of line. So here we will denote this vector going from a1 to a2 as a bar. So we denote here a1 to a2 vector is going, and it is denoted by a bar. So a bar is minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 ax bar plus 1 minus 3 ay bar plus 4 minus 1 az bar. So a bar is minus 4 ax bar minus 2 ay bar plus 3 az bar. So this is equation number 1, and the length of the line is given by mod of a bar. So mod of a bar is what? It is square root of minus 4 square plus minus 2 square plus 3 square. So it is square root of 29. Now the next problem is the 3-point given in Cartesian coordinate system are A 1 minus 3 2, B 2 5 minus 4, and C 1 3 3. So we have to find, one is AB bar, second is BC bar, and magnitude of the vector. Third is magnitude of vector drawn from A to B, and the next we have to find is unit vector from point B to C. So first we will write the equation for the vectors that are starting from the origin to point A, B and C. So these vectors are, A bar is 1, that is AX bar minus 3AY bar plus 2AZ bar. Then B bar is what? 2AX bar plus 5AY bar minus 4AZ bar. C bar is minus AX bar plus 3AY bar plus 3AZ bar. Now we have to find the vector AB bar. So it is equal to B bar minus A bar. Now we have the values of B bar and A bar, so we just subtract these two equations. So it is 2 minus 1 AX bar plus 5 minus 3 minus of minus 3, that is plus AY bar plus minus 4 minus 2 AZ bar. So it is AX bar plus 8 AY bar 6 AZ bar. So this is vector AB bar. Next we have to find the vector BC bar. So it is C bar minus B bar. Now we have to subtract this C bar equation and we have to subtract this B bar equation from C bar. So it is minus 1 minus 2 AX bar 3 minus 5 AY bar plus 3 minus of minus 4 minus is plus 4 AZ bar. So it is minus 3 AX bar minus 2 AY bar plus 7 AZ bar. So this is equation BC bar. Now next we have to find is the magnitude of the vector drawn from A to B. So magnitude of the vector drawn from A to B is given by magnitude of AB equal to square root of, now we have the equation of AB, square root of 1 square plus 8 square plus minus of 6 square, and this value is square root of 101. Next we have to find is unit vector from point B to C. Now unit vector is written as like this, small a b bar, it is BC bar divided by now we have the equation of BC bar. Here we have to find the value of this. So we write here AB bar is equal to minus 3 AX bar minus 2 AY bar plus 7 AZ bar divided by, to take the magnitude of this equation, so it is minus 3 square minus 2 square plus 7 square, and it becomes minus 3 AX bar minus 2 AY bar plus 7 AZ bar divided by square root of 62. So we divide this each term separately, so it becomes minus 0.38 ax square minus 0.25 ay bar, sorry not square, ay bar plus 0.89 az bar. So in this way we can find the values of the different vectors, its magnitude and the value of unit vector from one point to other.